How y'all doing today, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today I am doing a Cajun garlic butter chicken steak scampi. Today's ingredients are Cajun style seasoning, garlic butter, a little bit of that Italian seasoned onion powder, paprika. Got my garlic parmesan basil butter, spinach, some of that fettuccine linguine. Got my tomatoes, shredded parmesan, got my chicken all seasoned up, my steak all seasoned up, got my lemon and my margarine, my butter. Yeah, get all that juices in there. Yes sir, guys. Finished product. Cajun garlic butter steak chicken scampi. Very delicious, guys. Oh my God.